everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all having a lovely day. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got a bi-monthly unboxing to share with you, and it is the Natural Wellness box. This is how it arrives in the post. It's got my name and address there. I've just opened it up and had a quick look inside. So if you're new to the Natural Wellness box, I'll just give you a quick lowdown telling you all about it. But if you've seen it all before and you're just curious in seeing what I received in this September-October box, then I'll add a timestamp down below in the comments, so you're free to flick forward. The Natural Wellness box is a UK-based natural beauty, cruelty-free and vegan bi-monthly subscription box featuring themed collections of beauty, wellness and health. The aim is to make you feel healthy and beautiful from the inside out. Inside the box you will find between 5 to 7 products. The cost of the box is £38 and that includes shipping within the UK, and they do ship internationally for an additional £9.95. They also offer a 6 and 12 month subscription as well. This box was kindly gifted to me in exchange for showing you and telling you all about it on my channel. I have been receiving this box now for quite a long while and I really look forward to receiving it. It is very different to any other boxes that I receive and unbox on my channel. I love the fact that they focus on you as a whole, not just beauty products but a range of amazing products to help you unwind, relax, de-stress and so on. And it's given me a chance to try things I would never have tried before, and yeah, I really appreciate that. I do really like it for that. But if you're interested in your wellness as a whole, then I definitely recommend checking them out. They do have photos of past boxes on their website, so I'll add the link to their website down below and links to the subscription, and they've kindly given me a 10% off code which is Diary10. I'll pop that down in the description as well. So underneath this video you see show more. If you click that, that would bring up my description and everything would be listed down there. So I think that's it. If I've missed anything out, I'll pop it down below. So inside the box you get a little leaflet and it tells you everything about the products and it gives you a price, so I'm able to tot it up at the end to give you an overall value. Now the theme for this month is bedtime collection, so everything inside this box is all catered around relaxation and preparing you for a good night's sleep. So yeah, so let's give you a quick sneak peek first. Now you might not be able to see properly, but I just thought I'd give you a little bit of a sneak peek. I've made a bit of a mess there. But yeah, so we go through it one by one. This is Discovery Made Simple by Superfoodio, and this is dark chocolate, cashew and cocoa clusters with quinoa. Oh my gosh, it sounds gorgeous. I absolutely adore chocolate, but I really love cashew nuts. I really love cashew nuts. So it says here, natural source of protein and fibre, refined, sugar-free and vegan. It says snack anytime, pre-post workout, on breakfast and desserts, and it's a 30-gram pouch here. Oh, look at those. Oh, look. They are really nice. I've got bits in my teeth now. They are really nice. I'm going to save them for afterwards. But in this little pouch here, it's 64 calories. So to buy this pouch, it will cost you £2.45. Yeah, it just goes into telling you basically what I read off the back there. So that's the first item in the box. Next we've got little tea bags, and we've got 2 here. They're both the same. Yeah, they're both Sweet Lullaby, a bedtime herbal drink of calming organic herbs and flowers to benefit sleep. I love the idea of these. I'm gonna give one to my husband actually, so one for him and one for me. So to buy these, it'll cost you £10 for 25 tea bags. It says a bedtime herbal treat of calming organic herbs and flowers to benefit sleep, specially formulated to help you unwind. This bedtime organic herbal recipe of apple sweet, chamomile, fruity hops and soothing rose is the perfect feel-good cup to relax and send you off to a peaceful slumber. Next we got a bubble bath, and this is Rose and Lavender by 100 Acres, and we got 50 mils here. Anything lavender, oh it's gorgeous. I have got quite a few like sprays and body lotions and stuff to use just before I go to bed, and I do love it. I was worried just in case the rose would overtake the lavender, because I'm not a fan of rose. If you've been following my channel for a long while you will know, but it doesn't. That's really nice. Oh, it smells good enough to drink. I am really thirsty. at the moment. I could do with a drink. I might get myself some water in a minute. There's some other scents going on in there, but I can't put my finger on it. It just says rose geranium, ylang ylang, mandarin. Yeah, it's lovely, really lovely. So what can I tell you about it here? It's a little bit blurry, but it's won a Beauty Award 2020. I can't see. It's a little bit blurry, but it's got down the bottom there. So this is 100 Acres Bubble Bath, and it will cost you £16 for 300 mils. So this is like a little mini size. An all-natural nourishing gel formula packed with hydrating plant-based ingredients such as rich plant oils, fragrance botanical extracts, and the finest essential oils. The luxurious fragrance oils will infuse into the water and air around, making you feel like you're bathing in a luscious balmy meadow. I'm gonna have a bath tonight. I am gonna have a bath tonight. It smells absolutely stunning. So yeah, I really like that. Next we've got something in this cute little bag. Little drawstring bag. What's it say here? Bloomin Blends, is it? Oh, we got spray. This is by, yeah, Bloomin Blends. This is Sleep Easy Botanical Sensory Facial Mist. Oh, this is a bit different. Keep the facial mist by your bed. Hold the bottle 30 centimeters from your face. Spray twice and inhale deeply. Exhale and feel the calm of sleep wash over you. Oh my gosh. Now I've got sprays behind me. On my shelf and up above there. Ooh, I'm all out over there. But you spray them in the room or you spray them on the pillow. So this is to spray on your face. Now, I need to spray it. I want to smell what it's like. I won't do it on my face, but I'll just spray it here. Just like, oh, it's a nice fine mist. That's lovely. That is lovely. Oh, that is gorgeous. Does it say what's in it? It says you can spray it on your pillow as well. So it's a Sleep Easy facial and pillow mist, and this will cost you £16. It's a full size. Sleep Easy is a botanical sensory facial mist to soothe and settle the senses and help you find the perfect night's sleep. The facial mist is made using a balanced blend of soothing essential oils and homemade flower waters, including lavender, petite grain, and chamomile to help your body relax and quieten as you drift into an easy sleep. Keep this mist by your bed. Once you have settled into bed, ready to find sleep, hold the bottle away from your face, and then it tells you on how to exhale and wait for the calm to overtake you. I really like that. Something a little bit different there. Next we got a Zero Night Cream, 100% natural, plant-based skincare, sustainable packaging, and got 50 mils here. I love the packaging. Look at that. That is so lovely, isn't it? That is so, so nice. This is Zero Skin Academy Night Cream, and this will cost you £15.99. Winner of Green Parent Beauty Awards, this night cream is formulated with 100% natural vegan ingredients and contains plant-derived preservatives enriched with green tea extract, Sasha Inchi oil, and sweet almond oil. This cream helps leave skin deeply hydrated and nourished overnight. All Skin Academy Zero tubes are made from sugarcane ethanol, retail boxes from partially recycled cardboard, and the caps, jars and lids are all fully recyclable. Try a bit. Ooh, look. Oh, see, I'm gonna get it in my nails there now. I'll leave this by the bed later. Oh my gosh, that just feels gorgeous. Right, just get it out of my nail. There's a very, very slight scent to it, but oh, it just feels so nice. It feels really, really lovely. Oh, nice and thick. Love night creams. I always say this, but during the day I like a thinner cream, a moisturiser, one that absorbs really well into my skin. But at night I love a thick one. I just love waking up in the morning, and if it's a good night cream, my face just looks nice and plump and soft. So yeah, I can't wait to give that a go to see what that is like. Next we got a little sample, and this is Life Armour 100% natural nutrition drops of balance. See, it's in a little container there. Oh, what is this then? Take a moment to unwind, 100% natural, alcohol-free and vegan-friendly. Take vial directly under tongue or dilute in water when needed. It's not suitable for pregnant or breastfeeding women. So this is a little sample, but to buy the full size 30ml, it will cost you £22.50. And it says, we all want to achieve balance, but sometimes the pressures of modern life can get in the way. Drops of balance can lend a helping hand, working naturally with your body to give you a moment to unwind when you need it most. 100% natural, vegan friendly and completely alcohol free, so you're left with concentrated active ingredients that really work. Take 1 pipette directly under the tongue or diluted in water. Use daily as often as required. So I'm assuming this amount here is equivalent to 1 pipette full. So it's to help unwind. So again, that might be nice, isn't it, to help before bedtime as an extra added boost with everything else in the box. And lastly, we've got a very heavy Lola's Apothecary Velvet Whipped Body Souffle for enchanting softness. Luscious and indulgent, fragrant body souffle enriched with aromatherapy goodness. A beautifully textured skin treat for exquisite smoothness. And we got 200ml here. Well, this looks nice. Oh, the smell. Oh, that is so nice. What can I smell? I can smell it all. Yeah, it's gorgeous aromatherapy smells. It's lovely. But look at this. I just want to plant my finger right in there. And this is, I forgot to say, this is Sweet Lullaby Soothing Body Souffle. Oh, it smells gorgeous, right? Ooh, it's just like white chocolate. Or like a mousse, you know? Look at this. Oh my word, that just feels gorgeous. I know, I am. It's looking, oh my word, that is so nice. It's just like double cream now. And it even has like a slight yellow colour to it as well. Oh, that is lovely. That is so lovely. It does, it just looks like food. Oh, it's melting. It is melting. What hand is this hand? I haven't tried anything on yet, isn't it? Oh, that is nice. It feels very moisturising, but it's almost leaving like an oil film on top. It just feels gorgeous. Super soft on my skin, but it feels like it's got a really nice like oil protection there, which will just penetrate the skin and just nourish it. Oh, it feels so, so good. So this alone is £2 off the cost of the box. This will cost you £36. This heavenly body souffle is designed to melt on your skin, enveloping you in a fragrant cloud of aromatherapy while the nourishing goodness sinks in with whipped shea butter, coconut oil and rosehip. And then it says, this beautiful cream is like a fluffy meringue. It says, the result is a beauty wonder that is richer than a body lotion, yet lighter than a body butter. Wonderful for after bathing and dry winter skin. I am really impressed with that. I cannot wait to try that on my body. So no, I think it's a really lovely box. A nice bedtime treat box. I've got it all on there now. My hand's going everywhere. So those are all the products. So I'm just going to gather them all up and then I'm going to add them all up. So going through the items one by one, we've got a Lola's Apothecary Velvet Whipped Body Souffle in Soft Lullaby. We've got a Zero Night Cream. We've got 100 Acres Bubble Bath. We've got a Bloomin Blends, a Sleep Face and Pillow Spray. We've got 2 tea bags by P&T in Sweet Lullaby. We got some snacks by Superfoodio, and we've got some drops of balance by Life's Armour. The cost of the box is £38. The value comes to just over £70, but that's not taking into account the minis and the samples. I've just added up the full size items, so it's a little bit over £70. I love the theme. I love the sleepy theme. I always love sleepy theme boxes. Yeah, it's just lovely, and my daughter does too, so we tend to share quite a few things with each other. But yeah, no, I'm really impressed with it, really impressed. But as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of this box? Do you subscribe to the Natural Wellness box, or are you watching this wondering if this is a box for you or not? All your thoughts and opinions, I'd love to know. So I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care, and I'll speak soon. Bye.